Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make really easy shredded chicken from frozen chicken breasts in the Instant Pot. In my case, we're using a Bella pressure cooker. It works just the same. We're going to be using 5 chicken breasts. You can use 3 to 6 frozen chicken breasts, but these are pretty good size, so we're just using 5. Feel free to hit the pause button to get the recipe for shredded chicken. So first, you're going to add your cup of chicken broth. You're going to throw in chicken breasts, frozen. Next, you're going to add in your teaspoon of seasoned salt. And half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now you're going to put on your lid. Make sure that the pressure valve is sealed. And you're going to go to the pressure cook option and go down to 20 minutes. Then you're just going to sit back and wait for it to cook and do its thing. It's going to take between 5 to 10 minutes for it to heat up before it starts cooking. So while that's cooking, I get out my KitchenAid mixer. You can simply just use forks to shred your chicken, but I prefer to shred mine in my KitchenAid mixer. It's so much easier and quicker. And I'm going to get some tongs out because you're going to need these to get your chicken out. Okay, so now our timer has gone off, so we're going to allow it to do what we call a natural pressure release and just let it sit for about 10 minutes. We're going to take our tongs and carefully open up the pressure valve to release the rest of the pressure. Then carefully take off the lid. Then you're going to turn it off. Take your tongs, carefully transfer the chicken over to your mixer. Now I'm going to put the guard on in case it gets messy. Turn it on low. Turn it up a little bit. Now it's done. How easy was that? Delicious shredded chicken. You can probably store this in the fridge for close to a week. Or if you have a specific purpose in mind for it, you can portion them out to the portion sizes you need and put them in the freezer. Thanks so much for watching today. Please stay tuned for my next video where we will be making chicken quesadillas.